Welcome to Shipriti Education Online Classes. So today we are going to see types of inheritance. So what is inheritance we have seen in our previous lecture. Now we are going to see the types of inheritance. So the types of inheritance is most basically we are going to study about in Python in this tutorial is single inheritance is one of the most important inheritance. After that we come on to the second inheritance type is multi-level inheritance, and then the third inheritance type is a multiple inheritance. So what you understand from the name single inheritance? What exactly is single inheritance? From the name it suggests that, or it's single inheritance, that means we are deriving from one parent, from the one base class. We can say that. We can also say that like we are deriving from the one base class. After that, we come on to the next inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance. So what exactly is multi-level inheritance? That means one is the base class which is used to derive the next class, and after that derived class is again serve as a base class for the next derived class. So this is the type of chaining system. That means अगर आपने क्लास बेस क्लास derived class base class derived class, after that we come on to the multiple inheritance. Of what is multiple inheritance? So the multiple inheritance, that means a class is deriving from different base classes. There are different base classes and you can separate it from the. So now we are talk about the third type of inheritance, that is multiple inheritance. So what is multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance, that means if you have so many base classes, so many, like 1, 2, 3 up to n, and you want to make a new class that is called as a derived class for taking the some features from these so many classes. That means you are going to take the features from these so many classes into a new derived class that is called as a child class. मतलब कि अब हम बात करते हैं कि मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस में बहुत सारे बेस क्लासेस हैं. यू हैव सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ बेस क्लासेस. अब जब आपके पास लाइक बेस क्लास 1, बेस क्लास 2, बेस क्लास n, फिर मैंने बनाया क्लास डिराइव, उसमें से ले लिया बेस क्लास 1 से, बेस क्लास 2 से, बेस क्लास n से. So this is known as a multiple inheritance. This is called as a multiple inheritance. Now first of all we are going to talk about the syntaxes. तो syntaxes क्या होते हैं हमारे? First of all we take the syntax of single inheritance. As I told you about the single inheritance, so what is a single inheritance? Single inheritance is just like class, base class, class, derived class or base class. Some codes are written here. Some type of properties are in the base class. Now I want to take the properties after making the derived class into the derived class. Then the second one is the multi-level inheritance. That means a chain of inheritance. That means different levels of inheritance, like class, base class, and then class, derived class किया. तो derived class फिर हम क्या बताएंगे कि हमें कौन से लेना है, इस बेस क्लास से लेना है, तो हमने ब्रैकेट्स लगा के उस बेस क्लास का नाम डालेंगे. अब दिस बेस क्लास सर्व एज अ पेरेंट क्लास. पेरेंट क्लास, अब जब पेरेंट क्लास सर्व करेगा तो इसके लिए अब न्यू क्लास हम डिराइव कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ चाइल्ड क्लास, तो इसमें से कुछ फीचर्स ले लेगा. तो ये हो गया. देन मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस, एक ये बेस क्लास हो गई, फिर एक ये बेस क्लास हो गई, एक ये बेस क्लास हो गई. सो दीज आर द पेरेंट क्लासेस हो गई अलग अलग. इनमें ना किसी में कुछ फीचर्स, किसी में कुछ फीचर्स, किसी में कुछ फीचर्स. अब इन सारे फीचर्स को मिला के हमने क्या बना लिया, एक डिराइव्ड क्लास बना ली। और जब हमने एक डिराइव्ड क्लास बना ली तो हमने उसमें सारे फीचर्स थोड़े थोड़े ले लिए। अब जब सारे फीचर्स हमने इसमें थोड़े थोड़े ले लिए तो क्या हुआ, क्लास डिराइव, बेस क्लास 2 अप टू एंड तक। यहाँ पे हम लिखते हैं जहाँ से हम फीचर्स लेने हैं, पेरेंट क्लास के नाम, तो ये आ गया ब्रैकेट्स में। सो दिस इज द सिंटैक्स ऑफ द inheritance. Thank you. In our next class, we will see the single inheritance. And if you find it useful, then please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.